All right, we're here today. Kind of a interesting thing that occurred in a consulting call with a colleague of mine, Steve Husky, and so I thought it'd be a really great topic for local business owners to understand in their analytics because we're starting to see this across a lot of different channels, and so I felt like it would be something really valuable for business owners to understand. So, Steve, why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us about briefly about your company and the name of it and what you do generally for your customers, real quick.
Sure, thanks, Todd. My name is Steve Husky, also known as the Wizard of Google. We are Google Consulting. The name of my agency is High Five Promotion. High five.
High five.
And we specialize in Google AdWords management and Google Local Marketplace. Our website, in fact, states exactly what we do. Winning Google Local. We win the Google Local Marketplace with clients. And we've got clients all over the world, typically under $5,000 of pay-per-click spend. And we'll work on any area of Google. AdWords, local, whatever you want. YouTube, Google Plus, including. We are Google Consultants.
And that website was winninggooglelocal.com?
That is right.
All right. All right. So I'm going to set the table on our conversation today, and you tell me, you kind of step in and tell me if I'm missing anything.
Okay.
You contacted me a couple of days ago, asked me to do a backlink check on a couple of sites that were customers of yours. Do you mind if we mention the name of those?
Yeah, let's not mention the name of them.
Okay. So they are companies that do business. And
the power sports websites.
Say it again?
They're power sports companies.
Power sports company, yeah. So the issue was that you had found some porn links in your Google Analytics, and it alarmed you, as I think naturally it would anyone, because if I understand correctly, the link number, as far as a percentage of your total traffic, was significant. Is that correct?
That is correct. Yes, it was 5 of the top 12 referring links were porn.
Okay. All right. And so you contacted me, asked me to do the backlink check. I did the backlink check, and although we have not dug deeply into those, I've reviewed all of the top-level domains, and none of them appear to be any porn sites. So what that means for the uninitiated business owner is that there are not porn sites that are sending traffic directly to your customer's website, and or there is no malicious code that's been injected into the website and causing traffic to go from the website to those domains. Is that correct?
Yes. So that is correct. And to sum it up in 2 sentences, these websites scraped the Google Analytics code from a normal website and put it on their own website. So it appears as though the traffic is coming from a porn website, when in fact it's just analytics is showing the porn website's traffic mixed in amongst the power sports traffic.
Okay. All right. So I then went on to one of my clients' analytics accounts and looked. So where we went and where, if you're watching this, what you need to go to your analytics, go to acquisition, and then go to all traffic. That'll drop down and show channels. And then once you go into channels, I went to referrals. Any one of these you can click on and open up, and it'll show you the different ones. But this is into referrals, and then you can see here that they have these that have some pretty giant, because my customer, they typically average about 1,000 hits a month on their website. That's generally speaking. We should also say really quickly here, if you're watching this a couple of years down the road, really good chance that Google Analytics does not stack up the same anymore as far as their features.
Right.
They change those kind of on a whim. So it's the same principle, but this stuff may not be in the same place anymore. They don't really always tell you when they're going to do that. So the point I want to get to very quickly here is I do have these in my clients. This is referring traffic that's hitting the website. So for webmasters.org, site for freesharebuttons.com, freesharebuttons.com. And these are big numbers. So I've got 175, 133, 68. Just with these three, this is stacking up to be about 400 or 500 hits. And none of this is legit traffic. None of this is traffic that is coming to my client site because they want to do business with them. So now, what's fascinating about this is, Steve, one of the things you said about this is the bounce rate's going to go down. Well, my bounce rate has actually gone up. My time on site has gone up. It's almost up almost 300%. So, if those numbers are okay, let's talk about why does it matter to the average customer if this is happening?
Well, so that's interesting what you say about your bounce rate and your time on site and all that sort of stuff, because when Google has all of these various sites to rank, they are looking for sites that consumers deem important.
Yeah.
And the way a consumer deems it important is by staying on the site, interacting with the site, going to multiple pages on the site. If people hit the site and leave within 6 seconds and there's a whole flurry of them, and none of the traffic or very little of the traffic ever even clicks on the second page, Google is going to determine that, well, the public doesn't like this page, because there's other websites that when they type this same search in, they go to 4 pages and they stay on the site for a minute and a half. So the consumers have already spoken as to which one they want. And if you get better numbers in terms of interaction with your website, it's actually going to decrease your advertising costs. Google's going to give you a better quality score, and they're going to take away a penalty that they apply to a lot of advertisers that have a poor quality score. Does that answer your question?
Yeah, and I think it really speaks to the algorithm updates, especially the latest one. You know, the mobile get-in, and it's all Google's all about, at least from what they say to us publicly, they're all about providing a more relevant experience to the visitor of the website, the reader of the website. So if there are all these indicators they have built in, and all those indicators, when they stack up to say, yes, I as a consumer find this site to be relevant, you're going to get a better quality score, which in paid search is what you're talking about. You're going to pay perhaps less per click versus another site who does not have as good a quality score. Does that sound correct?
Sure. That's absolutely right. You just summed it up.
Perfect. Okay. So then we started to talk about how to stop this from happening, how to exclude this traffic, and that's when I said we should record this. So why don't you walk me through how to exclude this?
Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go up to admin.
Okay. Admin. Yeah, here we go.
Right, you'll see reporting.
Yes, I got it.
Admin.
I got it.
Okay. And now you're going to go to view. Let me look back at your screen.
Yeah, view.
For a second.
All website data. Channel settings.
Yes. And click on view settings.
Okay.
Click on bot filtering.
Bot filtering.
All the way down at the bottom. Bot filtering.
Okay, here we go.
Exclude all hits from known bots and spiders.
Okay.
And then click save.
All right. And I just got a success message. I have achieved success.
You are successful.
Is that in my overall life, or is that just for this? Because that could be like a really good day, but not necessarily apropos for this call.
I think you just made.
Nice. Okay, so
Is that your tagline from now on? I'm Kyle Bailey, and I'm successful.
Yes, I don't care what you say. Okay, so let's go back down into our. All right. Is there anything else I need to do?
Oh, there's a lot you could do in Google Analytics. We couldn't even scratch the surface here, but that's how how to exclude bot traffic.
Okay, perfect. So when I probably won't see that take effect until the next month's reporting, correct?
Probably. I mean, you'll start to see it take effect tomorrow, but whenever you look in there.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else that a customer would need to know about bots or bot traffic?
If they have problems, they need to call one of us.
Yes.
That's what they need to know. Call Steve Husky or Kyle Bailey.
Yeah, I'll put links in the description of this video.
Yeah.
For your site, your contact information and mine.
Thanks, man. Good first video. I can't wait to do the second one.
Awesome. Have a great day.
All right. Call me back.